Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word despairingly. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She looked at the pile of overdue bills on the table and sighed despairingly, wondering how she would ever be able to pay them all off. Despairingly means feeling deep sadness or hopelessness, often in a way that shows a loss of faith or belief in a positive outcome. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.